So stairs, in my world, I love building stairs. And I think stairs is like the beauty mark of the whole deck. You know, they can really make a deck look gorgeous. But they also, per square foot, are the most expensive part of the deck. So it's important. And also, that's where you're probably going to lose your balance or fall off it, or you're hauling refrigerators up it, or anything heavy up there, or who knows. But the stairs are extremely important to make sure that not only are they aesthetically beautiful, but they're structurally sound. Now, this is what I'm seeing right here. Now, see how this is sitting? Now, a lot of municipalities, this is my stringer right here, and they just got it sitting on a concrete pad right here. That's not a problem to me. I understand some municipalities, it absolutely is. And they want a concrete pad. Oh, I don't know if you could see that or not, but like a little landing at the bottom of your stairs, concrete landing. And then your stairs would sit on that concrete landing. But this is acceptable. And let's look over here real quick. I'm going to bounce here just for a second. See, we was talking about our concrete pier, our support post, and our brackets. See how that little cavity is right here, that little airspace? By having that little airspace is allowing this board not to rot. Remember, we was on support post and how they was rotting. And see, that's what I really like that type of. Simpsons sells that. Tico's, different brands out there that sell that. But anything that allows your air to circulate around that. But anyway, back to the stairs. So let's see how and I like how they've cut this corner off here. That looks really good. So that's kind of, you know, not do-it-yourselfer, but still acceptable. But now look at this. Now this is just right down funny. You know, my post has gotten so rotted and it's just coming down. I've had to temporary it up. And that's what they've actually done. They temporaried it up because now they're getting ready to put a concrete pier underneath there. But if they would have done it like they were supposed to and actually have put the pad out here at the bottom of that stair tread, you wouldn't have that problem. You can easily do that as retrofit. So if you've got that mud or something, or you've got some sinkage at the bottom of your steps, lift them up a little bit, pour your concrete pad, 3.5 inches, 4 inches. You're really not carrying a ton of weight, so it don't have to be. But if you could, like I recommended here, they put piers underneath it. That way you don't have any freezing and thawing, you don't have your movement of your steps. That's, you know, but that's what you want to be looking for that.